Yeah, good evening.
And the family.
Good evening.
So Ben, I make on that day where you say my come the next day. Where baby Nora they do birthday that day when I come.
What you come forget? Don't forget.
When I come tell you about my husband, my baby father.
Say what happen.
When I come say he run, he carry my money run leave 3 children for me, come out without no quarrel, nothing. So up till now,
Yes.
self, I not feel the rich any of the family member not they feel the rich. Even he worky people, all of them they call me, nobody feel the rich.
Yes. What you do? I will make her carry your money wrong.
So I not do anything. Oh, now something will be one use the money do. You understand? So
Yeah.
when he can't bring the tour comers, he can say he not get money. So I can't say okay, since the thing don already enter social hand, so the money wey me get, everything can be 8,000 plus. Now I get. So as one come, he can say not get the money. Now I can't chest am. I can't give her the money. Say want do the children passport. I can't give almost 3,000 plus on the passport, plus the other 5,000 euro plus when I give her. We still want to buy the ticket. So when I can't give her the money, I no even know say na as he wan take run leave me with these 3 children. Na him all dey fine. So ever since I come see say he don change for the character wey he get. So me come still dey use my brain dey follow am to avoid the make quarrel no come, make all these social people no come. You understand? Make dem no come evolve again because they don already dey inside the matter before. So after that one, as I come give am the money, e don reach how we wan take go the back.
Hello.
I want to the push up and they come.
See, I be move fair do one first. Meanwhile, you dey fake account. So
No,
your own
not
map
the
of
fake
the-
account, sir. Na me private am
Yeah.
because of the
Come
people.
on video now.
May I come on video?
Yes.
Oh wait, my wear clothes.
What? Now another body not there to talk to me.
No, I wear singlet before because of heat. So
Eh? You know wear pants.
I wear why not wear pants? I wear pants too, sir. I just dey come back for supermarket for work. Now say my quick run go supermarket.
Okay. No problem. Hell. Okay, hey. What do you do your see? Just first give me a minute first, yeah?
Okay.
Now I believe you say they talk truth. As long as you don't on your camera, I believe you. Where the other girl? This girl. Happy. 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 E. Oh yeah, they explain your own before you come.
Okay. So now I can't give her the money. As I can't give her the money, I can't feel say because we first get more misunderstanding before the matter dey like na 2 years plus now the matter say dey, so we can't reconcile because of the children. So when we can't reconcile, you can say okay, make we do something. Now I can say okay, how much you get? You can't say no get money because of social enter the matter. So now I can't say give her the money. I can't say give her
Wait. Una break up.
Yes, we break up.
Wetin lead to una break up?
Wetin lead up na woman matter, na woman. He go dey beat me,
Okay,
he go
he
beat
go
me,
cheat on you.
he go beat me, go call me police because if I no be social media person, I just dey gather mind dey do am. You
He go
understand?
beat you, he go call police for you.
Yes, he go beat me, go call police for me. So now those things
Now you
come
dey
make
call
me
police.
vex comot.
Wait. Now you dey call police or I mean now you dey call police for
No
you?
be me dey call police, na him dey beat me dey call police.
Which country na
Na
dey?
Italy we dey.
Okay.
So
No,
the
say they
reason
not.
why I no dey call the police na because of my children that time. The small I no wan lose them. So na im make me no dey call police. So na him go beat me, na him go call police because wetin dey bring the problem, him go comot for house, he no go enter house before he go call around 12 1. Me and children don sleep, we don even wake up before this man go enter house. So if me come say okay, may I go look for work so that man fit dey assist am, me not come be like say, cause I am that woman wey be say dey lazy. So now I can't go look for work. As I can't go look for work, man for the assist this man. This thing not see the man. This one, it come be like say I can't even use that one they disturb and you understand. Even when they pay me my first salary, I can't give am my ATM. Make go help me check whether they don't pay. When you reach, they don't pay the money. Now I still owe my bank command. You understand? So when he hold the bank command, when he go check the account, he said they don't pay the money. I can't say okay, no wahala. I do all these things so that I take the support ammo because I can't say maybe the load too much for an end make if they get pepper body.
So they explain.
So me no say me just they waste my time. You understand? So now what's it gonna happen? If he come up for us, you know the enter house or time. He go to meet another woman. Till person come tell me say he see my husband, he see my baby father with another woman. Oh, me I'm not even listening to the side talk because I don't want any problem. Now I say until I go see him with my eye. So one faithful day, this man now be they carry me they go work. You know they carry me they go work again. He can't stop. You know, I can't trek and our house far from inside, no bus. I go wake up around 4 o'clock. I go trek, they go work. This man go dey bed, they sleep, he go work. So he's supposed to, if me close for work, he go enter work. Now so we dey do am. This man not gonna carry me, they go work again. Kakaka, you know, he can't keep me malice. They can't come up for us anytime way he want. He go come anytime way he want.
Why you give her your card?
Because me they go work. Then me no know whether they don't pay me. He can't say okay, may I give her the card? May help me go check whether they don't pay. Now I can't say give her the card. He can't go check. When he can't go check, they don't pay. You understand? He can't return the card for me because me they find out what my fit the assistant because me picking up because say the load too much or and I make it a verse. Me no know say he or get another motive. You understand? So now so that I can't say come out. So after that one, he come dey come over me, come dey complain. They complain. He come like he come tell me say, if me complain, if me don't talk, me go rest. Now I can't say rest. So till one faithful day, I go work, I come back. He suppose me they enter, he go come out. You understand? He no go come out. Are you enter? He say why me not quick? Come say why you not come carry me? Should be like you feel like they carry me for work. Why you not?
One of the power tap, one of the share,
why you not come carry me for work? Now say take carry the motor, he can't carry a walkie shoe. He go outside, he drive come out, he come back again. He can't throw the walkie shoe for a side parlor. Now say can't take come out. As he come out, this man no enter. As he can't go as around level. When he come as and he not carry motor come as, he can't go park the motor for garage. Now cause where this man can go park motor for garage because he never park motor for garage before. Now cause okay, me I don't need any problem this night. My just waka come out. My go sit down for package for them. I collect fresh air. Now cause they goes sit down for there. As me go sit down for that, I just say I go. I just the waka they go now just set a car for there. As I just said the car say why this man come park motor for garage for here? He never park am for garage before. Why I can't park motor for garage? Now I can't say okay, make I on my phone touch. As I on the phone touch, now I see one girl for inside the car. As the girl see me, the girl can't dey dodge. Now I tell the girl say, make the girl know they dodge. Say now because of you, now this man they beat me for us. He go beat me, now I go call me police. Now say no wahala. The food when I wake up cook. Early morning when I want go work, this man serve the food, he won't go give the girl. I can't see him when he serve the food. He can't turn juice, put for a container. He won't carry the food with the juice. Won't go give the girl. Now I say, so food when me suffer, wake up, cook early morning. Now you won't carry go give girl. So tell you even rent house for the girl for the same city. Me not know. Say you rent house for girl for the same city. Now that one can't say pass. When that one can't say come out, the man he come like say the thing the worst. You know the quarter not going to finish for us. One day I be one even by myself. Now cause I wish kind of wahala I can't put myself. Since I come this Europe, now so problem like they face. Which kind of wahala be this? Now cause depression come like say depression or me. Now can go tie rope for inside our step case. That's why I want you by myself leave these children because I don't too suffer I don't too suffer for this man. And now our tenant where we put for us, now the tenant can't say make now the tenant now can't see me. He can't call my baby father. So now that one can't cut the rope, come out. As can't cut the rope, come because they won't call police. Now so that one can't say not can't call police again, that one can't pass. Now I can say okay, instead of me to die for that place, I go may I just come out because I don't to go along, I don't to stress.
With what you explain, so I still need to hear from your baby father.
Okay.
How much you say carry on?
No, this one so now 8,000 euro now be the money. So after that one come out, when we come reconcile. Okay.
You carry your 8,000 euro on.
Yes, I give her 3,000 euro separate. Then I can't give her 5,000 euro, 5,000 plus separate because we won't use the money for something. So me no say
what you give her 3,000 euro for?
The 3,000 euro we won't use and do passports for my children. Now I give her for. Then I can't give her 5,000 euro for because we won't go vacation. I can't give her the 5,000 euro. Everything making everything 8,000 euro. Me no say this man. The reconcile way everybody come they beg me, make me come back because of the children. Me no say this man not change. Me can't use all my might they follow on. So me no say he not change because me can't take care of my children. So me no say this man not change. Me no say this man won't play me for one night. So after I don't give her the money for the passport and the ticket, this man can they find quarrel. As he won't come take run, now this man can they find. He can go they find quarrel for us. Me na can't they avoid them. You understand? I can't they avoid them because me don't need quarrel. Me no want me to share call you can't carry my children for my hand. So me no need quarrel. I can't they avoid them. Me no say this man want to run with the money. Now this man just they do. So one faithful if I go work.
Wait, you give me 5,000 euro, make it carry you and your children go vacation.
The 5,000 euro, when as I take give one this, we won't use a buy ticket, won't go vacation. You understand? I can't give her 3,000 euro plus for my children passports. Now I give her everything can be.
If they work.
If they work, he sees my children for my aunt for good 3 years. This man not let me see my children. For a year plus, I not see my children. Our assistants will share with police. Now come make me see my children.
You be single mother before I be now in hand you start to the born.
Now in hand I started the born. I never born before. I never born before.
You don't put money for your head.
You never put money for my head. Now the marriage you be so won't go do. Now he can't play me for one night. So before I come for work, he go they pack it in small, go they run. Inside last 2 weeks or Friday 22. For I they sleep. I not feel go up, but like when they pay me. Me no say this man don't you know they make up, go outside, go they make up because they do live video where they promote people live TikTok video, all those things they do. So me no say he already get paid. I don't know whether na woman has the wrong go, whether na the money carry wrong go woman house. I don't know. This man, if I go work, he go the pack it is small. Me no know. Me they carry my life. They go work, go they find money. They assist this man for us. Me no say this man he won't run, leave me a children. And so this man they pack it is. He tell run, leave me a children. This man say they go work, he not go work. Till now we see she no but not they go. Family, I don't call family member, then explain give them. No but not they go, nothing, my money carry run. Ask rent, he not pay. He no know as the children take they eat. Not only go now as the children take they eat. And even they go, I know if they go work now they for yesterday now fit start work. As I talk to you now, he carry the money, he can't come out. Me now say I never do all this one before. Now I say I need to gather men. Come this live video, may I can't talk. May anywhere they force ya. May me tell her me can't take care of your children. Money when he carry around. I don't know whether I don't eat the money, me never know. I tell do the money, me can't tell me. And the children me can't talk as he want to take care of your children. If now I don't say me not wrong go woman house. I don't do anything. I the assistant. I the assist this man for everything. I don't know why I can't carry the money run. He can't run leave his children. All till now, no any of the family member, not the feed the rich and nobody feed the rich.
How many children you born for her?
Now 3 children are born for her.
Which work the man they work?
Now magazine, now fabrica work they do. Now all this mechanic now they do. Me now fabrica for the work.
Say they promote live video presenters.
Yes, they do all this TikTok where and now women they full and pass all these TikTok people. Now they do.
What it be name? What it be name?
I'll go write. I'll go find name come and send for you.
No.
Because he blocked me for that.
Wait. Adam, you know if you call your husband name, wait till the TikTok.
Sir, he blocked me. He blocked me for that.
No, forget. If my wife block me now, I know it's my wife take the TikTok. If my wife block me, he
block me. Now person even go screenshot and say for me, this man block me. The day where you know say na me, now that they go block me. The day where you know say na me when I follow that they block
me. No way they talk to me so. Which work you they work?
Now fabrica for the work. Now fabrica work I they do.
Wait. You don't know. You don't fit tell me your baby papa name now, off head. Without you not go check.
Because not be name they use for there. Not be name they use for there. Me no the day when he knows na me they follow now that they go block me. Now person every screenshot I send for me. Not be name they use for there.
You still get a picture?
I get a picture.
Okay. You get another phone?
I get another phone, but I get your number. If you want me to send that phone, now maybe they call you since.
Oh yeah, you relax now. The one will be the solved before, we don't pause them. We will come back to that one just now. Because we'll talk everything finished today. Because tomorrow musician boss game they start. So I know we can't get time to do all this talking. See. Session now from we're not
he wrote and sorry, he carry my children document, he carry the run, he carry everything, he carry the run. He carry all my children document, carry the run. As I talk to you now, my children document, no one there with me. Even they say they want to go hospital now, no fit. I know fit. No. He carry my money, carry roll, he carry my dog. Okay, if he be say even use the money, go let me know. You carry children document, you carry the run, you carry money, you play me for one night, you carry everything wrong. Why you go run? You run these 3 children.
Wait now, on the way. TikTok did that on that phone.
TikTok day.
Oh yeah, the session now. I'll be blocked you from there.
He blocked me for everywhere.
You get fake account?
I don't get fake account. Only this. I know they use fake account.
Open one. Open one.
Okay, my open now.
Open one now. May they enter, or I don't know whether your friends you call. May they send you. May they go search for the thing.
He did my phone. They send that for me. He did my phone.
Oh yeah, fast. Go bring that phone.
Okay, now. Wait. My bring that phone now.
No, Mudiane. So we may.
Now this one go say, my husband carry me to vacation. I'm not telling you, marry lazy man. You can see my husband take us to vacation every year. This is what my husband is doing.
Ew.
He take us to a vacation. Now we are enjoying our vacation.
Smart now.
See you guys. Cheers. God bless my husband for vacation. And I sponsor Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Women. I go and make una wise up.
Larry, two calls they come at the city. Me I pick hello.
Daddy, I beg you to yourself first. And then I talk to you. Then
No problem. I like the pattern when you say no use. Yeah. Yes, no problem. No problem. Thank you. Italian women they suffer. Oh. You know, I don't know where all these kind of women. I don't know where I not see them marry before I marry. I wish
I don't send her to you. I don't send her to you.
I wish I see my woman marry. Why you get a problem? Because I don't know I'm way. Well, what? If you are ready now, they don't hurt people like this. Because if you hurt them, they go fuck you up. Because person when they talk, if you talk, no problem. But I mean, ọ̀pá ní gbàtì èrè ya ọmọ náà máa yẹ school with gbàtì mi. It's my mother. May you see chat, may you see the way you take it down. Hello, Juliet.
Hey, that girl. Now the man when he born for before Destiny.
It's not a Destiny.
You know me very well. Then I say Juliet.
It's not a Destiny.
Nah, Destiny, nah, not the Juliet.
People do this. People do this.
Don't complain about the matter to me. I tell her may call me later. If you say get my number before.
I can't get your number, but I misplaced the phone.
I be following for TikTok self.
Wait till it take day this thing. Wait till it take day. Okay, don't send that for me.
Now because it's me, say I know they talk. You want talk? You say me not because it's me, say I know they talk.
Very wicked uncle. Now it take day TikTok.
No, I mean, I beg. Make it bring my children document come for me. Go take off the children. I know they feel they go work.
Now, wow. I supposed to see the girl there now.
Eh?
He go come online. He go come online. He know the if he drop message for her, he know the reply. He go come out the SIM card. Nobody feel they call her. Nothing.
First now, but I say don't change.
He run he run leave 3 children. Oh. He run leave 3 children. Throw a motor for back of train station. Park the property. Throw away for their run come out.
He get license before or you the drive.
He say he get license, so I don't ask Kantaya. I say he get license, brother. I don't know. May bring my money. He say he get license, bros.
He stay
Bro,
there,
you never do after that license. What's that? You make us take off the children. That problem is this. Me, I never do all this one before. I never come live video, come they talk. But this, I just the guy my make they do all this. Say, I know they do all this one, but me, I can't take off the children. Maybe my children document come for me. Maybe my money come for me. I know maybe my money come for me.
Destiny, Larry. Now I put her for
He run leave children. He run leave children. 3 children, 3 guests. He run come out to train motor back on train station. Oh, make anywhere where they say make her take off your family.
I beg.
You don't follow woman.
Destiny. If you are a woman, you put this man in your house. A Nokia is looking for this man right now. This man ran away from his responsibilities.
3 children.
Allegedly.
Not the allegedly, pa. He run.
Adam, you know why they talk allegedly? Now lay your matter door here.
Okay.
You give me WhatsApp number. Give me WhatsApp number.
You know they go. I'll send her for you.
That's why they use allegedly. In case of tomorrow, I go talk say now because I not get your number to tell it you. That's why
I go send everything for you, pa. These people will know me. People will know this one.
He still get mama.
He not get mama again. No, he not get mama. He not get papa again. Now, but he get brothers. His sister, okay. I don't share the video, give his sister because before I come here, I tell his sister, I say, I go TikTok, carry the matter, I go TikTok. The sister can say, if I go the TikTok, your platform, I share it for maybe go there and the listing. Because they call me, when he run, I call a family instantly, I call them.
Wait, so you on your own, and they come for you. I'll saga you. I'll saga you for 1 minute, yeah? I'll saga you for 1 minute. Because your attitude there, I don't know why if some men see women with the way men. Okay, the picture now they sound like this. Destiny. Anywhere you did for Europe, you get document.
He get document.
But you don't know that you get license.
I don't know because I don't trust him. My way if he do me like this, I don't feel trust him. Now put me for this stress like this, so now you put me like this.
Destiny. Destiny. Look at your beautiful baby mama. You don't put money for your head.
He never put money.
Look at your beautiful baby mama. She's here tonight. She's here to report your matter to us allegedly. Say you be bad person.
Really?
Say give you 8,000 euro tonight. He no year go. He no year come. Now, how the children tell they eat now? Let God know.
Ask friend to not pay.
He say, no be here, oh. You will be that girl will put her for us. Release her. May go back a family. I beg. Come. If this man come and say he can't shop the money, what you can do?
If he shop the money, no problem. But my children document may drop him. You understand? May drop him. If you want go, may go. Because if he love these children, if for not run, leave them. Because now this attitude make me fair come on, leave away. They beat me like this, go call me police. You understand?
Not be man they call police for man for you.
You know use on tire around. No use the police tire around. Use on so slap back for your neck.
If not some people still stand, therefore don't call our police.
Hello.
They do.
Hello, madam.
Hey.
Again, I'm on your phone now. I'll tell your papa, or one less motor in PlayStation. I'll be at your time. I'm editor of a little when it's not a separate.
One less motor a train station.
Now he park motor for there, come out. He park
his motor by himself.
Stop it.
He said that he park motor by himself. Not say he don't leave her for train station.
And the motor now, they don't see can carry. I don't know whether I can carry and come out now or if same person can carry him.
Well, Adam will say, now where they list it from inside house, well, Adam will. Now they list it well, Adam will. Happy Queen, more than help Happy Queen for me. Happy Queen, you go wait first. We go suffer they do this thing one after the other. So, Destiny, wherever you are, please come back home. Your baby mama said, even if you say you shop the money, no problem. But when you return back the children document where you carry. Now so Italian women good. For Germany, if you as a man call police for your woman once, the woman call for you 700 times. And that 700 times, and that 700 times, he go dey look and say that once he don't call her for all the things he don't do.
You be a young man, swear. You be a young person. Jamie women say power.
What kind of work like in there?
Jamie women shout power.
You understand?
Not be say Jamie women. You say my wife. Jamie women. You say my wife. My wife.
700.
I don't do me blessing.
Hello. Yeah, madam.
Shout power.
Lord, why you wash me? Okay. What's be your name? Bona up Happy Queen. Hello. Now you be the girlfriend. Eh? The one where you catch when you say go ahead. You know his name?
That one be like that one in a gift. That time I don't remember. Don't say na Calabar girl.
Your name a gift?
Me?
Hello? Network. You say na be the girlfriend. The guy there you want talk. Eh? Wait to for your mind, where you think say your baby papa go do like this?
Now woman ask now.
Okay. You yourself don't say go dey woman ass.
Yeah, because apart from that one, he will get picky up woman picky for us. You get married, you don't leave your children. You go sit down for one woman house. You go sit down for there. You don't leave your children. Come out. You go sit down for there. I making an aguia a pala. I making an aguia.
No work quarrel, no day.
Okay, if you and your wife get quarrel, then you go pack go meet woman house because na TikTok for the still woman. Now say a pilot there, mama Stella TV where they this Bergamo. Now so this man pass my back go meet that one say the fine wife. Now that one say that one saga ram before I go rest. Now TikTok for the fine women where you get 3 children where you dey take care of. You want me go which pikin you want boy wey go reach this one today where you run leave the children for me. Which pikin? Now so lele na for this man this man can lie. This man he can lie. You run leave 3 children for me. I want to take care of them. Make go me pack the children for man. Maybe you go sit down for woman house. You carry my money, you go sit down for woman house. You leave children, see children for here. Now I don't want to put the children for social media. I don't be social media person. You run leave 3 children for me. Make where you do if no problem where if cause for grand. Now if cause this problem social for grand. Now you get mad. Where no problem where they grand. Now you run go meet woman for us. Wait till the woman won't give you.
Wait till make you go back to this man. I beg.
Now because of my children, pa. Now because of my children, social say won't collect children. Now it cause problem where they grand.
Wait. You know what they call you single mother, or now because of the government of Italy.
Not be because. Now because of these children, I don't want to lose these children because now the bit will be make me run come out. You understand? Now because of the children, then make me come back. I mean, I say this wicked man don't get another motive. Don't get another motive. Jesus, this man can lie. Make he come out. Make he come out. Let's take off his children.
I want come up for road again. People say they don't see am well. Me go come up for road now. Make you for tell the general public about your baby papa, so that any girl where you dey with now for us, that one now maybe don't lie say never marry.
He don't marry, he get pikin he get 3 children. Destiny, he get 3 children. He run leave his children. He carry my money, he run. Mona help me anywhere where wrong go. Mona pursue come up for us. Mona pursue Destiny come up for us. So make her take off his children. He run leave children. Not the children take they eat. He run leave 3 children for me. Destiny na family man. Destiny na family man. Mona pursue Destiny come up for us. Make her take off his children. Children they cry, children no work, children document wrong, everything wrong. Now and they support them. Mona pursue come up for us. Children they cry. Children they cry. This wicked man, this evil man, this Linus, he don't leave children. He don't leave 3 children. 3 children I get 3 get 3 na get to 3 na get Destiny na womanizer. No, he don't fair put another way beat me come up for us. He carry another woman put for us. The woman not still stay. Now say beat that one. That one cause he run for a life. This guy na liar. Any woman has when he dey, mona pursue. Agbiwen, mena pursue. Make her take off his children. Make her take off his children. Children there. Now call they come. Now call the innocent children for this life. He run leave there for me. Make go make collect children from my hand. If they walk, he get life contract, they walk. This guy goes down for Destiny, goes down for a woman house. He goes down for a woman house, he run leave 3 children, Mona say, and I did this. Mona help me, Mona share the video, may reach where a day. Now me born for her, Mona help me share her. Make her take off his children, make her take off his 3 children where born.
Yeah.
Mona help me. Mona help me, if you say the lie, make me come up. Any woman where they with una pursue. Now make we be like this. Yeah, now because I private my account because I don't want anybody go there collect my picture. Now I make understand not be like this. I be people will know me. You go come here, come testify.
Since when you take do this thing, where people go for no say you serious. You hear me? You go use Bini, you go use Pidgin. You go fair use Bini. Now you listen to me. You say, hey, whoa. Oh, come on, no, can you destiny ye? Where? Or say where you are, all those catties. If you don't use Bini, because you do talk Pidgin.
If I don't know whether I think I might shoot the call, even though I don't show them, maybe they shot.
No, carry your children call, no.
Okay.
You do like this, no.
Okay.
Only you do okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Come on.
Make with destiny. Koko no yo wa o ko wa no ye wa gumekwe. Unless c'est moi unless c'est moi bien moi unless ya we go na left wa ko wa ko wa ni akwe yi ni akwe yo wa re o no do gba wiye abeg when help me pursue ali jam when help me pursue destiny. You know but not they go. You don't leave 3 children while wa help me wa where you worry. If na woman put up for our woman where you worry while go you might wanna there while wa help you wa while wa woman where destiny you worry or say
why some of your pikin make them for no because if you go learn and say you not born for her how woman be number 2
great Mira precious men are come. Say that any person will put your papa for us, name for sure come for us. So yeah, you folks should say it.
Which one?
Come here, anybody will put your daddy for us, say name for sure come for us. So yeah, say it.
Where you go where the friend for mother too.
If you should for sure daddy's house, come back for house.
He don't buy pikin o, he don't buy pikin. Na 3 children get. See, na house be this. I no wan show the children.
Yeah.
Go inside. Iran leave 3 children. I never do this one before. Like put me like this. But when you worry, if na woman put her for us, mona pursue anywhere when for this season, mona they pursue like fly. Iran leave 3 children. Come on, Iran leave 3 children. 3 children. He carry my money. Iran ole wa kwe destiny you worry. If na woman put her for us, mona pursue na liar. Na lie news. He can lie. This boy can lie. He can lie. Mon me pursue make disgrace enter body. Make disgrace enter body. Oh, wagumekwe. You don't born. You dey hear the shit request.
What do we are? Oh, what now? Oh, when wala wo keke do da fiere ni aye. Oh, wa no pursue.
Mon pursue like fly.
You say when pursue like fly.
Mon pursue like fly. I mean I beg mon pursue. He don't born destiny.
When you request, not tell me say Pamoka come up for media. If you know something, you really call us now. You say you be
no request. Nobody can come for media. Made a pursue. You carry my put for her for more than 2 weeks. For a week plus 2 weeks, you don't live with children. Children nowhere. You don't live with children. You don't live children where born. If they beat me for us, this guy a liar. Wahwe mona pursue destiny come on for us. If now woman ask you go, my dad go do you. Nobody let me why I don't do. Me were even born for her, 3 for her. I see shege. Where make me come on? I come on. See carry about 2 put for us. The woman office stay. In office stay. Now because of this children make me come back. I take off my children. I don't know say this man a wicked man. Mona push me take off his children. You were put out for us. So you think say that you good? He go do you what he do me. He go do you. Mona push me take off his children. Mona push wa destiny. Na be this one so. He carry my money wrong. 8,000 euro. He carry wrong. Na na free man. Nobody way no one for year. Mona push for me. About 2 weeks now I run. He run with money. He run if he carry children document wrong.
Adam yo. No. You know say this man a yeye person. Why you go back? Why?
Sir, you don't understand me. They say me I go back because of my children, because the children are there with them. The children dey with her. The woman wey put for her, they say whether na so the woman dey maltreat the children. Everybody go dey beg me, go back, Sharon, go back. Let's say go back. I know be say go back, go marry her.
You believe her and leave the children before?
Epa, na the beat where they beat me, oh. The beat, I not get ya, as it means I not get anybody for abroad. I not get sister, I not get ya one wrong go. I not get ya one guy the children wrong go. Now
You get papa.
I get papa, I get mama. Nobody, I not get sister.
You get sisters. You know where your papa born.
No, nobody let me one, but no let me one there abroad. I don't get anybody for here. Now I made this guy they do me like this.
Okay, after that beat you can't run live her with children.
He can't still drag me go lawyer place. Now lawyer place where he can't drag me go. Now there I can't say I know fit again. Man, no go there. I hug myself. I nearly kill myself. I nearly commit suicide by myself.
Okay, now when I can't come back now, you can't give her 8,000 euro.
Yes, because of the problem when he calls for grant before where social content there, where social content enter, so where social content monitor my children, now money content enter hand.
How much does that contribute give you?
He never contribute. I count this euro. This man never contribute anything for my life. I dey do all this thing because of the art when I get and the children when I born. Now make me they do all this thing. I don't know say this man a wicked man.
You know why they take her easy with you since? Because of the children whom they take care of. I don't want to add pepper upon injury. I know what I for tell you. You hear me so? So because of say, man they beat you when you dare Europe, when you get the upper hand, even if not this man, he will say this man bias for you for Italy. You get the right to pursue that man come up for that for
life. If I never get sense that time, this guy they threaten me. This guy they threaten me.
That time when they beat you so, like how many years now?
I think this thing it happened. I think if I'm not mistaken, it's this 2021, I beat 22. Now the thing happen.
Now they beat you like say you
they give me, if they beat me, so they want they strangle my neck. You want kill me for us. Now a friend with his girlfriend.
Okay, 2021. You never get sense. So after 2021, because then 2026, now you can't get sense, Abi.
Bro, so I never that time I know get one kind. I know they work. I lose my work because of this guy.
When you give her the 8,000 euro.
Yeah.
When you give her the 8,000 euro.
I think I give her now since December. Since December, okay. January till this very last month we finish.
The December what we do last so 2025. Oh.
Yeah, December, January from there come now.
This December so now you never that we all this December so now you never still get sense that time.
But me can't say he don't change. He can't do like better person. Me don't know say get another motive.
Okay.
Me he can't change. Now I can't see character. Now I not go do again. Make him my money.
I know the topic because the truth of the matter is that your whole problem for here now 99%. Yes. That's why they talk and say if you go and not get platform, they don't get the already support women. You know where? Because me a man. Where did this guy they do you so? Me never do her.
And if I say I don't do, I may come talk. Now yeah, they may come back.
Never give me. My wife will gather 8,000 euro put for my hand.
I dey support her. I dey buy food stuff.
If I like make I go tell my wife for water can. Lagolis water. Did you know cash? As a man I don't be now. I don't tire for say onions. Use sellotape, tire. It not go work. My wife never gathered money put for my hand before. I don't know where for the see this kind of women. I don't know where this kind of women they God. Somebody gather 8,000 euro give you as a man.
And I say they call me. You know, say they give me name. Okay, you they give me name, but the money while they work, you can't collect them. They go beat me. I go sleep for train station. They all my men go close for fabrica work. I go sleep for train station for there. I no go see train go house. But now the money now you go collect from my hand run. Go meet another woman. They squander the money for there.
You just sleep train station before.
I don't sleep train station when I dey work. When I dey do fabric, when I dey, if I close for work around 10 o'clock, I go close for work around 10 o'clock for fabrica.
Why you go with man? Okay, people wey dey sleep train station, na so that they behave. Not be your fault.
No, Epa, not be Ashawo work oh. Na fab I dey work.
I not say Ashawo work. Now you dey talk now. You say because of the work where they work, sometimes they sleep train station.
Yes, if I miss train, I no quick close for work around 10. I no see train take go out.
I be you don't they tell now wife. I bet if I get the connection, one has said that for me. Big ball over if you talk. This one I know there will be a live video all till Domosa. Because blessing don't they tell my wife just the way that they tell me. The best say the men are waking up. Because if they don't tell this girl, I see no reason why this girl will give this person 8,000 euro. After the beat, we don't beat this girl.
If you say they lie, make come out. If you say me they lie for head, make it come out.
If I get the connection, I need the place for this wife, for this my big head. Allow you need back so that any money when they enter here, I'll be collect it was I'm way boy. It was I'm way. Because if blessing, we don't they tell men, sorry, we don't they tell women too, just the way women they tell men. The annoying part of this thing I be say this idiot now, you're the one woman has now. They blow light to that one, say you love them. You abandon children, you abandon for your woman. As me and my wife just call a rich, I never abandon children for her. I see they carry my children, they go school if they break. Not since that they love me for years, say. And they go, they carry my children for school. Hey, not concern me. Because all those people, they love me, they never get. Now you see the one will give you 8,000 you. As me be now, my wife will give me 8,000. Me go behave like, even more like person they tie for bottle. I go to watch the feet for live video. 8,000 destiny. If na fake pathetic you get, go to where now. Because your wife say not know whether na real license you get or you did by the door. Madam, shout again, make them for no.
I beg, wo mona help me oh. Anywhere na for even na Nigeria na see this man mona for sure like fly. Make her take off his children. I just dey come back for work, so now I don't go supermarket go buy wetin children go eat. I never have bath. I beg mona help me. If na woman ask e dey, mona pursue. If na man ask e dey, mona pursue. E can't lie for una, mona pursue. E run leave three good children. Now I run leave. You want me government collect children for my hand? Now yesterday now I fit start work. If they come online, they come on. They come online, they come on. Tonight nobody know they go again. You off your phone, change. You off your phone, buy another phone because of another woman. Mona help me pursue, make her take off his children. I beg. Mona help me. This man a lie news.
Shut up, wait.
Yeah. You get us so. You know the letter because I think the boy get apartment, you know the apartment. You know let her work, you know let her nothing. You tell the boy let tell her make come up for camp that time for Italy. I think they there. The boy let give do nothing that time. I think they go there, stay there, keep the boy there for them. You get finished now, you come up for the letter, you go time move and you go put move there, here no letter. So even for my brother was the day I talk to the boy. Because I go there go make it, there was the day I talk to the boy, you get the fear and I get when not to reply, when not to expose like that. As one picking the boy similar and was the oppressor. You understand? So because if they punish her not to they see the children, that time when the children deal with her, and the children and the boy come carry the children to another woman's house. No one will be happy now. The boy no confident see those children. No one has any of the where they're not there. So this guy got to go see go carry lawyer. Lawyer can't force the boy by force. Man, the boy will give the bed date where they take us to see those children. Now, once they do, you get where they do it, you go tired. Now they go back to the bed where they see the children. Because of that, what be fault? That's not the way not to reply like that.
The man,
yes, I better try to help him. But that boy too spoiled.
I met this mama. He said the boy they watch mommy 3D. Mom, now mommy, which one be say they watch mommy 3D? Mommy 3D not there your husband house. Mommy 3D not there your husband house. Now mommy 3D say me my cheating wife. If I bother, you already listen number weapon. Then mommy, don't win mommy 3D or talk about what time.
still go for another woman. Now, one single mother has to first go before. First go stay, the woman want children. Later I get just to come and say, I say, don't leave her.
All right.
I want single mother place that I don't still go again. I don't know anything they worry, just the oppressed again.
Tomorrow night, go come back again. This Sharon so go still carry her task. On mute.
Wait, coffee go begin farm work by said they go fabrical work. They can talk to me that time. They want to maltreat the girl. You look at nobody fear back.
No problem. Sharon, unmute yourself. How you got to take care of these children now?
Epa, before me run, last month, I not to go work like that because my children don't to dey sound. So the small money where they pay me, even before I come out, you know say food not dey the house. This man not bad. So the card where they give me for work, now the card I can't use okay, I go supermarket, can't go see best money for us. I can't see go sell the card for African shop. You understand? Now the card I can't take buy food for. I can't join the small money where they pay me last month. Now I can't take they survive now. Even said the money now, now two babysitter now they use. I don't pay the babysitter there. Even save now, as I thought so now before I even go work today, I not be small thing. The woman need to come my house. I can't still pay the woman again. Even when this guy did this house, this guy not they agree pay babysitter. Now me still they pay the babysitter. I still they pay the children food money.
Now you why you get the marriage. That's the truth.
I know the marriage. I know the marriage. I come back because of my children, sir. Make take care of your children. Make take care of it. Not only go now to survive. They take care of the children. So this guy run command. Okay, you want everyone? Why you run with the money? Why you run with the children document? Now say see beat me. Carry the children document. He can't run this small money where they pay these children. This guy beat me. They collect the money.
You get money for them. Which they take care of your children so.
I notice them she gonna the many money where them I think go person so money where them for and only 20 I think 28 euro I be 80 euro now can't pay the woman wait take come for late today I don't pay and the money where them I never reach anything. He carry the money where I suffer work he can't run.
The first thing you are going to do number one thing where you do right now you first go donation those documents. One, go donation those documents, may they forgive you another one. Two, you see this guy so the reason why they use allegedly for Ram is because I never hear him side of the story. But now I believe say he go don't see this video or person will know him go don't cut
yes.
him. Okay, somebody say me I help him. Now the thing where they talking what can't talk I be waiting. Hello?
Hello, bro. I greet you. No, good evening.
Now you be the destiny.
What do you know, girl? Not be me the destiny. I know the girl. I sabi the matter.
Okay, so
open your camera.
I know my camera. May you wait. This matter where you talk so now this year it happen. Yes or no?
I know I go talk.
I know I stand for the boy. I know I stand the way you wait first now. I know I stand for the boy. I know I judge for the boy.
You know the guy. You know the girlfriend.
No. Now they say that we do now. Not be chance I did. I know I book camera. That one not miss. I don't know the matter. Maybe the girl not going to talk so kind of because the boy not there. I don't want to judge for the case. I want you to throw some light. Say I know the case about the girl, the destiny also. Very first day before not be Capramondo you did. Capramondo for Graniano. I don't know you. I know you. Relax. I'm not going to the stretch matter.
Bros, I beg. If you know the you see call and come take off his children. Don't be matter of that.
Don't concern me. But I want you to throw some light.
You why you can't talk?
I want to throw some light.
Which light you want throw?
No, the light I want throw not pass. This matter so not be today happen. Not be don't say. Mother stand. You don't say where the girl issue. Even the girl after wrong. Matter happen. Matter play. The matter long. Police involved. Police stand for the police stand with the boy. Instead, you know. Not be one talk. Even they ask me the best. Even they ask me the best.
Talk what you don't know. Talk what you know. Talk what you know. Talk what you know.
Bro, my rest now. Everywhere good.
Talk what you know.
No, everywhere good.
I will talk here. I will talk. Nice squad be this way, pa. Nice squad. Nice squad. Not this one. I just spoil there. Nice squad be this one. e not there where something happen, no. He won't call the lie. I want to
you know, say ask you one question, sis. Say why police can't give this guy children?
Police not give her pikin. Police not give her pikin. Court not give her pikin. Nobody give her pikin. Now the beat where beat me, where drag me go court. Now you beat me. Now you run the pikin first. Now you go lawyer place. If me and this guy get qualified, this guy go they run. They add the video me not know. See me can't know say this guy mute and get misunderstanding for this guy. The video me go they keep him. See when me can't know. Now me can't say okay. You the video me for us. Now you go offend me. Now you go the video me for us. Now I see carry matter go meet lawyer. Lawyer can't say more come. Before me even reach there, this guy don't reach there. You understand? This guy don't reach there. He not tell lawyer what happen. No, he not they tell lawyer I say they beat me. He not they tell lawyer I say they maltreat me. He not they tell lawyer I not they baffle for us. He not they tell lawyer I say so what they do me for us. So because what he make my tell you what he made this guy do because he knows that I know they hear the language. Because in they hear the language, he gonna use the language you oppress me. You understand? Because not.
How you gonna take meat? One way you call the bomb for her?
Na Nigeria. No, not be here.
Eh? Nigeria for know each other.
Yes.
No, na two got the entire road.
Na fair come before me. Shall be my wife. Who be your wife? Na fair come.
Okay, now I carry you call Europe.
If I not be carry me, na me come myself. Na beg. No, I cannot be carry me.
When you come to say you date Italy, na can't continue my relationship from what I do remain for Nigeria.
Yes.
That number what you say not they go give me.
Take off the children.
Yes, that number so what you say not they give me. No, who they say me I help that bros? Oh, that one go not straight. I need a man that can come here to talk very mature. That guy they talk like say don't drink like more cat. He don't drink like 10 more cats.
Yeah, it's sister day here. It's sister day here. Say me you up and.
Okay, moderator. What is my sister name? What is my sister name?
Na Queen.
Eh?
Queen. Yes, I say yours now.
Yeah, Queen.
Ija.
Oh yeah.
Egbene.
I gbé ma odo ni wa pa mari.
Drop it.
Queen.
Yes, I say yours now.
Story must be probed carefully. Of course, yes. This is why they always use allegedly. Because I want to hear from the guy first. Before we know what to do from there. But no matter what, that guy not get right to run, leave his children for weeks. He not get it right. Who is the cat? Now cat they talk.
No, not be cats. I they try to find her.
No, they talk say why not?
Blessing I be this. Sorry.
Daddy, Sharon, you don't know the person where you want bring up.
Like I see sister for here now, Queen. Maybe not two Queen there because I see her. He say up me.
Before you come, you get one way with the talking matter. That one they stress too, like you. That one paper now family don't go bring the paper for her. Hope it's not that one they talk say me we up. Happy Queen, I not see you. Now you not get money. How you want to take care of your children?
Now let me they say me come as I make come bring my money come for me or make come take care of his children.
What about if you can't come outside, you not see one that I give you?
If you not come, if you not see one that I give me, you go come take care of your children. You go come take care of them because now if I carry the children, say you want to take care of her, where they follow me, they drag them before. So now since the money now you not there, get the children money, don't chop and finish now. So make come take care of your children now. Because you know if you carry my money, you can't run. Go meet another woman, go sit down for there. Then you run, leave your picking, you come out. Hey.
Okay. Wait too.
If my woman has the wrong, go make the woman apologize, make them go take care of his children, or make bring my money come for me.
Which tribe your husband be?
Naishan, Uromi. Black Diamond, they laugh for there. They fool yourself.
Who be Black Diamond?
Because me be no one ever go back to the girl, boy, they beg me. Make I go back. I don't go back now. Because I have my money wrong.
Hello? Yeah,
Sharon,
hello.
ma,
Sharon, how you dey?
I dey fine, Juliet.
How the children now?
I dey fine.
Why you can't still go back
When you
after
say
that?
request now, you don't
Everybody
say
dey
request.
say make I go back, make I go back. Now I can't say go back. No be say I even go back.
Maybe you still
somebody
get my
go
number.
marry o. Just a
Maybe you
man
still
take
get
off
my
my
number.
pikin, now I take go back.
Maybe you still get my number.
Let me see.
No, I lost that phone.
Juliet, now
Sir?
your number we dey talk about now, or how we go fit help
Now
this
make I
girl?
know I want to do am now. I go take because I will find person we go get the guy number. Now make me the
The
answer.
number no dey go.
I be get a number before. I don't know.
They say the request list don't full. Wait. Cat. I be see you before, but you just private your account. I don't feel.
I will come to get the number now. Okay.
The sister even call me. I can't tell sister since we example. Because okay.
Happy
If I
queen.
make it, I can say okay, I will carry the matter go social media because me I never do all this one
Happy
before.
queen.
You
I know.
understand? So that now through then I don't fit locate the place when he dey. Make her take care of his children.
No problem. I go help you if I feel.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Are you the cat?
Epa Domo. Dalo ke
Yeah.
sa?
Yes.
Domo sa.
Let's see.
Domo sa.
Yes.
Epa
Talk to
imani
me.
nyata. Oh how teme na hin.
Good evening, star.
How you dey?
I dey fine, ma.
Now your brother wife. Now your brother be the destiny.
How my children?
They dey fine.
When you come
Madam.
Epa Domo sa, when you call me 3 days ago, I tell you say I will call you when I reach out yesterday. I don't feel reach you because I reach out now. They call you since, but you not pick my call.
No, the phone I leave am for greater comot because I dey use one until they communicate with us. I dey work. I no even fit leave them like that without say I no dey hear from them. I dey carry one for the comot, then I dey leave the other one for am. Now she even message you sef. She message you.
Hey, yeah, no. Bele.
Madam. I need your brother WhatsApp number. When last you hear from your brother?
Epa, I know Sabi they talk like this lady that business say we never even see face to face. She know me very well. I not be as in why your person, I be straightforward person. The last hello. I say wife. Sorry. Hello.
There I say they talk.
Why you not even come drop voice note for me? The thing, why you?
Because the thing don tire me. Wetin he come dey do now? He dey come live. He dey come like he dey come online. He no dey reply message. Nothing.
Why you not call them my brothers then?
I don call all of them don call like nobody no dey go. I even get one of his sister wey call me whether say that one dey Canada don abi UK I no know don call me. I go tell them say I go carry the thing come social media. Anybody wey know where e dey make me find am because the thing don tire me. I no know where I wan find am go again. I no fit. It tire me o.
Madam
They dey cry.
When last did you hear from her?
I hear from my brother, I think last year, September.
Okay.
Huh? You are telling what did be last year, September?
How she able make me get my brother number? This lady where they talk so. I don't feel like for you, but I know Sabi like she know me very well. Me and she they talk now.
Ah, now they say papa, they say mama na be.
No, she be my uncle. As in, she could be my younger brother like that because he's junior to me. Now my uncle, now the same father, the same mother with my dad.
Uncle will be your younger brother.
Now my younger brother, yes, because he's my uncle. I see not for age when it comes to age. That's why I call him my younger brother.
What they call her your uncle? The man.
Your pardon, mo.
Or DNA, I tell you, kuna person who is senior you. Now yes, normally. If you look out from left, now your papa brother, now your younger uncle be that. Yeah. Your younger uncle, your nephew.
Okay, now my nephew, my younger nephew.
Your younger nephew, exactly.
Even like because sometimes I go just there, I always check on her and she there, so I just say, my children, are you there? There was a time she told me the children was no longer with her. So I even call my brother and she could even give me my brother's number. Because I can't get a number before. When he come Nigeria, I can't go back. I can't get a number again. Although when he come Nigeria, we not
just the talk.
Okay, when he come Nigeria, me I not see face to face. So when he can't travel back, now he can't call me say he become Nigeria, we not see. They say me not see they around. I say that is true. So when two of them get issue, now this lady, so this my brother wife, now she even call me say for messenger, say my brother let's talk about me to her, so she can't have to call me to tell me some certain things. I can't tell her to give me my brother number. She can't give me. I can't call my brother. My brother can't see tell me your side. She tell me her own side. I can't try settle the issue. Even that time said, this lady said she even want. She can't even they beef me the verse for me. And I say I be woman. I go tell you my side, but I don't go even allow my brother no say me I quarrel with you. But this one are your blame. This one are my brother blame. But as husband and wife, people not try settle because of children. I'd always talk to her because of children, make peace day. She can't say
the right 419 destiny.
She can't say okay, no problem. I talked to my brother for long. That one can't say already married, blah blah blah. I'm not going to call him again because I was really hungry. Why you go leave woman we don't born for you? Go meet another woman. Me, I not even call they talk again. I just cut her off because me those kind of they irritate me. He said don't deal with another woman for us. I tell her, I say don't call my number again. Since you don't deal with another woman, don't call my line again. If even they call me, I know they pick a call.
The destiny.
Last year September when I tell you say I hear from
mute, share on mute.
Last year September when I hear from I just call and say hope you they take care of the children. He said he go call me back. That was when me and him talk reach. So like 4 days ago, I just check on her. This lady, so this my see they call her my wife, child, though, because I get my children there with her. I call them my children. I just check on her, say, are you there? Our body, hope you there fine. She can't say yes. The children. Then she can't tell me say she don't there with the children, no. She and Destiny be there since so that one carry her money run. And where are they? No, it's there that place. And I reach her for nights. So I'm not confused reach her. I looked at time don't go. I can't touch you don't sleep. So today I just there kitchen. I can't hear message enter my phone. As I see na her message, they can't delete the message, but me I can't write her. I can't send her voice. My not voice, so I'm not going reach her. So that make me not return your message or not return your call. So I can't call. If she check her phone and she go see her missed calls, I don't call her tired. She not pick. So I can't call that my brother number because I still get her WhatsApp number. I call. But according to her, she said she they come online. She they drop, she they on the off the phone. But the message when me drop for my brother for since that day first day when me and she talk, the message not deliver. Let me say she never on the phone.
Are you ready, sir?
So I know you're even surprised when I see her for live video, like for my phone of my friends scream status. I see and say the poster. And I can't ask them, say, let's say that my friend there now. I say, now my brother be this, so where they not get to do this program? Say Nana say they day life. Now just say enter like can't receive. And I say, okay, maybe she did like that, maybe she know they pick my call.
Now, your brother wife, Asabi, your brother baby mama, he said now, he said not get money again, you want to take care of these children. What do you have to say about that? Because he give your brother 8,000 euro, your brother not fit give account of the 8,000 euro. He run now for more than 2 weeks now. You don't see your brother again. How we want to do that one now? More you live and me hungry all the beating and the children.
No, sir. I just understand. This whole thing just tire me, honestly.
If you be elder sister to them, and if na see something, try send, give them. Na €100, when you are rich, send, give them first. Me first they take care of the children. Because seeing this lady right now, she's depressed, 100%. The girl, she's depressed.
I did Nigeria.
Ready? Okay, stay right there.
You did Nigeria?
Nigeria, they should not be now. This lady should know me. Na Nigeria, I did.
Okay, not be Europe, you did.
No, sir.
You know, okay. Okay, but if you don't see me, shall persuade the Europe today. Persuade them just the same person money for years, but it's fine. It's fine. Okay. I don't know what to do right now.
I beg you know what the number not just they go at all because I try reach them, not get another number. Let that number in they use.
You not get friends too. You don't still get a friend's number. You not get a friend's number.
Hey, me.
No. On mute. Shout on mute.
Okay. The number, the one of his friend, when they work together, that one I call him. I see explain give that one. That one still call her. The number not still they go. Now 2 number I get as they come out now say they block everything. See now the number not they go again.
Okay, if you give me that the second number later, you don't call the one with the Lagos.
I don't call that. That one even call me yesterday. Now the number not still they go. Now the same thing they still tell me. Number not they go, nothing. But if they come, he come online day for yesterday. We even call I not pick. Now say sit off the phone back. And they say make I go police. No, because I never go police first. Now me first man come outside.
Since the guy get papa, mama, why you not still tell the parents?
He not get papa, he not get mama.
Okay. When I went to talk, say me send crayfish, me send nini. Before crayfish reach here, they don't go eat. You will say me cat send crayfish, give them. Me send gari, me send meme. Before meme go come up for Nigeria, they not go eat again. They wait for the one way they come from Nigeria. I don't just know what to do. I just a pity for you with 3 children, and now you say you not get money again. I beg,
and the one part now, you let me before you know say one run. He let this more money with them. He let me spend the money finish now. You take run. He let me spend the money finish now. I can't run.
Okay, you don't wait till I want come down for this live video. I won't call the one with the Lagos. I don't know that if he climb up again.
Okay, that will not be problem. It's fine.
Okay.
Thank you so much for not be your sister go see this kind of thing they'll come. Even as some people say they're not gonna come. You understand? Destiny, wherever you are, come out to. Hey, hello. Yeah. You know the boy? You know in church? You dey go church? They say your baby papa they post they say they play keyboard for church, not truth?
Yes, they play na truth.
What is the name of the church? What is the name of the church?
If I don't remember, because I know in church, I know.
He dey change church up and down. Oh, he dey change church up and down.
I want to say, this lady, this is carrying the shit. You want when you walk, if you drive car, if you walk, they drive car for the things are here. So I know I'm very fresh. So what the lady go do? If you walk out, you want to go give up and say, now wait, that's all. If you So what you they call a kid stay for? They have months and go position or carry loan. Every month on the page, they come get the work. You dey drive car. You dey do pastor for one church.
He know they go work again. He don't run come on for work. Even the just say I'm here for get life control of they come in. Now see they say I know see out. Now this guy know they go work. He run leave work everything. Person when not you know they go work. I want to pay. You want to pay children money.
All right. Okay, it is a better person. Don't know now as well. Abi you be dey like the boy too? Thank you so much. I appreciate. Wesley.
A lot of people know that girl. Not be first way that they had. No, unless they be first way put her for us. Now I pity. They don't take off his children. Me not they marry.
Yeah.
Now, again, about where he will be right. Even in a quick, that can't no one here. She already have not doing
those money when they pay your children, now your account have been at your their account.
Bros. You dey hear me?
I dey hear you.
You dey hear me?
I dey hear you.
This guy sees where this thing happen. This guy sees document from the money. Now because of the money, even they beat me, they run. So now they collect the children money. I never died since I born these children. I swore my life. I never this sweat when I don't swear follow this my children. I never drink their water once. You understand? This guy now he sees the children document. He see beat me. They collect the children money. Now every still join all those problems where they say we first separate. Not all these things. Now because of the children money, now make it follow me the drag children. Where make me want to go see myself. A lot of things.
Kakabo.
Because in the area, the document need the document already. So I see I change it behind it. I can't see it. So yeah,
you don't want TV for this guy. You don't want TV.
If I make go police go report because of that children documents, they will find out. The Italy police will find out because of that children documents. As long as they carry the children documents for nobody, they will find out.
I don't go there. They say I need to bring the document. Come. The document we're missing now, it don't expire. I don't know whether they go take them.
For phone. You don't see get a baby father photocopy document for phone. Like you fuck up there, Mama Mia.
I get it don't expire. It dey with me, it don't expire. They say they don't want that one.
It don't expire. As long as the scholarship is scarlet this day. Even if it don't expire, through that scholarship is scarlet, they will see everything. Now Italy, everybody did. They will see everything for that scholarship is scarlet. So if you get a go change up, but they will ask by you.
I go car.
The police office first, go donation. The paper wey take donation, you can't everybody go calf.
Okay, now if we want to help you now with money, which account you go even put on?
I say na my bank, postal pay or my bank.
Okay. I don't know.
Yes, my sister. Who be you?
It's a bit pity person well. I don't know if we can just help out with like 300 euros because of the kids. I don't know. I just did suggest. Yeah.
Mona help me. Mona help me find this boy. I beg. Even last week, now my work people now go do space I carry can't give me for us. Because not be waiting they expect.
The payment for the children, make them stop on. Make them stop on.
I don't know why my children. Now live video day, so 5,000 people are watching, if not more than. I don't know as my children money they work out. Ask my wife.
I beg.
Go even use the money buy a lot of.
Go back.
I never shop children money once. I don't even know where the money they go. The only thing I know be say my wife they buy my children fine clothes and shoes.
This one na children money they drag go.
That's how they go.
Children money oh, children money. The reason why I even fit give the children document that I never get document. I make you fair give. I fair get document. Me never get. Not because I don't carry the matter entire and they no. Nobody knows that the children they. Now, because the time wetin make you give the children document because that I never get document. Now first me get. Now make he give the children document because now give children document now. They follow me they drag the document up and down.
Madam, your. If I tell her say make she go donation to my, if she don't donation, make she go carry the paper and go in. Make she go say they stop the money.
Okay, may I bring people up? Make una call advise on what to do. Then I want more weapon too with 300 euro. Now I want more weapon too with 300 euro. I bet Moderator begin to bring people up. Moderator begin to bring people up.
And again, whether I will still talk, whether I will still need help, I beg because of these social people. You understand? Because the man use the hand call social enter this matter. So now I made me the fear wey make me never go police things. Make they not go collect this children for my hand. And me they work. You understand? Ahead. Because me want to change the place where for the work because of this problem where this guy calls for God. I made me want to stop the place where they work. They found another place.
But you know good.
One by one.
But you know good.
Starting from if you know say you don't want to come up, don't be forced. I need responsible people in the up.
You know good.
Yeah.
Okay, how are you, my brother? Sharon. It's very unfortunate for your situation, but what the first lady that came up now and was talking, the process is not that easy because, as you have just said, he is the one that gave the children the document.
Yes.
He's the first person, so it's not that easy for you to work out to calf and do all those things. You have to go through him first. Or the only way you can be able to have that thing on your own is if you donation him to police first. Then from there, now you start from the police and then you go to court. That's the only part. Now he gave the paper. You cannot control him on that. Everything they his name, everything they honor his account. That is why he's enjoying the children money. You have to take it to the police or you have to go to your social assistant and ask for assistance.
People will talk to her now.
Explain it to your social assistant and then they will help you how to settle it. But he is the one that gave the paper. That's the advantage that he have. That is why he's doing all that bullshit. So you have to have a social. It's not just simple. You cannot go to CAF. Even if you go to CAF tomorrow, they are under his name. They are not under your name.
Yeah.
So you have it's not 1, 2, 3 process. It's not tomorrow I'll go. No, a process you have to go through. So what we can do, we can help you for now, and then you have to have a social assistant explain everything to the social assistant. If you have been documenting some of the things he has been doing, also you take it to the social and they will help you. And then because what he's doing is illegal, but you have to go through the process to be able to reprimand him for doing that. So it's not just one day. Okay, so Inoge, it's not something she cannot do tomorrow or after tomorrow. No, it will take maybe 1 month, 2 months like that. But she have to get a social assistant. Or the worst thing she can do is to take him to the police first. After that, then she have the right to do whatever.
My sister, good evening. I want to know vessel. Now this children money, if I tell you, they who apply first, who apply for the children money. Now you unmute yourself. I need to hear. I've been only money to hear.
No, Percy, they call her. People they call her from that one.
Okay, who apply for the money first?
Mute and unmute. Mute and unmute.
Madam, unmute.
You
they ask you question.
Yes.
They ask you question.
Who apply for the money?
Now you apply put. Now you apply put. The reason why you apply put, I never get document that time, and I never get resident that time. Now you take go apply put.
Okay, hold on. If na he apply put, he put in bank account. You cannot go to CAF to go change am. Make they put the account. Na lie, no fit possible. Quote me anywhere. As far as say na he apply, wait till they come. As far as say na he apply, na he put the bank account, you cannot change it.
Of course.
So you cannot change it and put in name or not because of saying na him give am document, he get the advantage, no still big still concern. As far as saying that you no get document, when you come be say na he come fair apply put, you cannot change it. That's why government put and say if una dey apply, if una agree say make this one put the account, the two of una fit put una account. Then when government they bring the money, they go help una split am into two. The man go take, the woman go take. So, but since you no get document, now he put an only one account, you can't change it for CAF. Nothing when you go tell me, even though you carry donation paper go CAF, you can't change it. The only whether na judge or whoever go fit give you the right, you can't go him go do am by themselves for their portal. So not let anybody tell you say you go CAF. CAF not do anything. And if you want to go CAF, they go ask for your speed, the husband speed, they want to enter. No, but you not get speed. I get somebody where be say now your husband apply. Your husband they prison now, but he don't finish the process. They don't get resident. He can't stop the payment. Now to go do now. CAF they tell them say, CAF they tell and say make him bring speed. This speed that the husband they cannot enter. You understand me? So what me they try to tell you now be say you cannot also go to social because they go they target you and you know they work there. I go there. So what you go do now? Now to go Caritas. Go report your situation for Caritas. If you report situation for Caritas feed the help padre for your zone. Go feed they help you for money, for feeding. I tell you from my experience for my zone here.
Oh, say the I don't know.
Yeah.
So
I don't go there.
If you like where you sure. If you go meet Papa, he go help. Our son here, they assist
and don't come close to the camera.
Where are the women in Italy?
Mommy Excel.
I know the help. For you, I know the help.
Mommy Excel. Is able to open her own CAF now.
Everybody know they come and hey. That way the guy they do all this thing, I know they there.
Next, I beg you need women.
There's no way I gotta tell you the truth. If you let me, you go CAF no fit and the man apply. The only way where you go feel your run this thing now.
Okay, wait. Sorry, make I talk. The reason why I feel still go there because my document attached to you. My document attached to you.
Of course.
Okay. As far as listen, you go ask people on our side they do like that for our side.
My document attached to your document.
They can't change it. So go him first. Go tell him, say, see your situation. Then may you see what he's go tell you. That is just the only way. No go police station for Dunisha first because they feel cost social for you for instance because of your situation. And Dunisha not wait they attend to immediately. So I go advise you, may you first go him first. Go tell him, say, see my situation, no, money they put for this my account. Today they give my children and we know who see them. But he's go give you the best advice so you go follow. Then they chop person for them, information you go ask. That is my own opinion.
My goodness. See, next, majority anybody will don't talk now. They drop them. Not drop a pick queen. Never round up with happy queen. As water.
Hello. Good evening. Good evening, everybody.
Yeah.
Okay. Good evening, all the family.
Well, see, we are fine.
My sister. For my own opinion. Good evening, my sister. So sorry for the stress, for everything. I really understand. Okay. So.
Yeah. Now, Mother Kaya, 1 minute.
Why go? Imagine. Okay, what feeling? Yeah, my sister. My advice for you, I would suggest that, like what everybody is saying, that you should go for the social fit. You understand? So go and ask them for help. You get. So for the other one, for the children benefit of 18, that one that the other lady was saying, what she was saying was true. Because so long as one person have applied for the this thing, you can't go and change it. I said they will need the president of that place to revoke it first before they can add your account to that for that. You understand? So just go and ask for help, okay, for the social, even for parochial, all these what are they called, Reverend Father, Catholic pastor. So they normally do support. I'm in Italy, also in Bologna. You understand? So they can help you. For the documents of the children, I would suggest you should explain to the lawyer if there's anything the lawyer can do, so that the lawyer can also assist you. Or for the lawyer can tell you the process, what to do and what not to do. You get, because if you just they say the children, you guys not get access to the document. Because if anything expire now, or maybe you want renew anything now, they must need that children document. You get. So that is just my little opinion. To go and seek help for parochial and for the social. You understand? I know that you have already got there. The case is also in social already. You are afraid that they might take your children. You get, but they might. Yes. Yes.
They didn't wait to the debo. What's the one was it?
I beg, you try me, you go meet social, where case na case they social, may they not collect your picking. But they not physically collect your picking. They say you be responsible. You be responsible mother, that you willing to, that you have everything to take care of your child. They not fit take your picking for your hand. Yeah. Now when the court say as the man go, you know, they responsible, not they take care of the children again. Now that's social can't enter the matter again. You get. So now that one now you say my still talk. No cry, no feel am. Yeah, when you woman give her young one, no say there are some if you sort of many things they won't be say go they happen to you. That thing gonna make you strong. They make you strong the more. You get. So it's not a bad thing that maybe if you be single mother or maybe you only want to call the car children, they go no. If you go meet them, they will tell you what you go do and what you not go do. You'll use lawyers to back them up. You understand? They don't take that children from your hand. Yeah? So not to reason that the Lord is your strength, okay?
Thank you.
My love. Take care. Okay, bye.
Thank you.
The one I bet before anybody can contribute again. Sharon, the one they don't explain to you so you understand that?
Yeah, I understand. Okay, because even this one where they explain to me, I don't first still go there. I don't still go meet them about the children money. So they tell me say, make I go in. So I can't go in. So I still let in no say my document join your own. He attached to your own because you expire when you apply for 10 years. So they can say, okay, may they bring my own. Before I go carry my own, go meet them, go give them. What they take do.
Okay, see, my fans, may we do donation for round. How much is 300 euro in Naira? How much is 300 euro in Naira? They will convert the money because now over there we say not get money. I don't know. I just I don't say me the pity for Percy. Well. 520k.
But ni what me pa man ni twere la. Just short something. Okay. My sister, you say you the fear say they will collect your children.
Wait first, Wala Kamujane. Okay, it's 480,000. Why they confuse me? Some say 575. Okay, the money is 480k, right? 480,000 will give you 300 euros. May we help may we donate for my fans. When I wait there up, I ask you a question.
Epa, we go donate for Amo.
Yes, now, yes.
Before that, mother, why you self go date monkey? You know, she said that man a monkey. Now we can't. That's in it. That's what I'm saying. Usemo uti your destiny.
Tore, oh, hat here, monkey. No, I will lay here. Ah, you went away, you Moses. Oh, I met you that for monkey. On any winner and a honey. This is the real definition of a winner. Because he will have not bring that come Sagara. With the way me to understand this web, if he see this man tomorrow, he not go know whether would exist again. Oh, you can't have a bunch of food.
Oh God.
When did this woman need a condo? He need condo. Like that guy fit between like 4,000 baht. This woman go forget everything.
Every out on the social media.
You are not dying. Whatever that one. Why you? What's working? Gayo. Get away never. Why get the man do a move? Goodbye. Okay, don't say about myself. Oh, we need matter. Oh, we was a biogen man. Oh, we are going to matari. If you will do out. And when now say talk for even you say they never marry, they don't professional. Now say they talk put. You are telling do I tell monkey we want? We friend of we ballet you. Let do I tell monkey. When I want to do it to buy one naira. I'm your brother. One naira we me dire. One cent. I want to do it to buy. I can't even know where. Why are we going? I wa munere we wa tutawara mbora wa. I beg, the opinion is okay. Since you say me we help am, madam, you go give us your Nigeria account number. Okay? Me go for put the money, me dey confirm and nana. Me go support you with 100,000. Not be say I get to, and they say the money na 480.
Thank you, sir.
And they say the money na 480. I did one because of your kids, and I don't see you like troublesome person. With the way you do it, you be very easy woman. The little time you don't spend here now, you need pets, you need sorry. You not just be person get strong out like that. You get even you say you fear you not fear you not be problem person. So I beg, call your account number for us. Me will pin up for you.
If I get or not get account for Nigeria.
I do not be everybody go see Euro sent for you like that. To you know say the system of Europe you get as a bill. So we'll carry the money go as we'll convert that to Euro give you for a year. And one person will see use the account, you know, a person where they work, we will use the account down, we don't get problem. You understand? So my people, I beg, let's support the woman. That's the only thing they do my own. That's what they do my own. I beg, we'll leave Naomi first. I beg, let's leave Naomi issue first. Let's see what we can do for her. At least we don't get a lot of opinion givers for your sins. But let's see what we can do for this woman right now. I beg. Arrow is not better because nobody will give her arrow. If you say we'll do Naira donation, it will be easier than arrow. I know what I'm saying. It will be easier than arrow. So I beg. Which account will fit put the money now?
If I no get almost sir.
Hey brother Lamidane.
For Nigeria.
You get account with the fee use. They from Nigeria send that for you for Europe.
I don't know whether those one of you help me send that come back to Europe.
Make I use my account, still do them, then I'll come send that for you.
Yes, use them.
Okay. I beg my people. Me say I'll see 100,000 bring. Money will call it look for now 2. Sorry. 3. There's not 480. So money will call it look for now 380. I beg. Make I drop my account for here. Nothing is too small. For the kids. For the kids. For the kids. For a woman like this will not be media person to come cry out on social media. Suppose no say how do they meet over here, you know. So more just stay up with the 480,000. So that 300 euro go still reach and use till the money still finish for your hand. That's GT. 011.
But they say Naomi na the guy wife oh. Now what did they write for comment section?
Naomi na wetin?
Say na the guy wife. Now what did they write for comment section? They say Naomi na the guy wife.
Yeah.
What did Naomi? Okay, see here.
Done. Wife?
Destiny wife.
I'm gonna distraction I not believe.
If it be in Epa, because that guy is poor for Uma Mata.
I not get that much, sir.
Hey, la Mondiane sister. Eh? Okay, Naomi, come up now. Naomi. Now you say you want come up and be na tag the tagger. All this one not to waste time. I beg. Mo will support this girl. Mo will support this girl. Oh, and I will say, hey, pretty daughter, Koyo. Eh, I know you.
I don't hear.
A cat. I want to hear Nigeria. A cat here where you book man on setting there. They don't hear from the guy. Blessed
because he said go social media and because they don't hear from him.
Larry. Blessed with the good
Destiny.
Blessed child.
Destiny.
Please. They say now the cat he changed his name to Blessed Child. They go a woman.
different name.
If I no give a talk, babe.
Yes.
Hello, if I no give a talk, babe.
What's it?
Now, good evening. I not be wife for. Now, somebody writes for comment section say, made the open saying na your wife. I can't say my repost and I go write my name. I beg go when I stop to the right now, me na your wife for.
Okay.
That one make me come up. I know. I be call the number when I get immediately. I see.
I beg you.
Even if I be wife, I not go come out. I not go talk.
I don't get almost. I want to tell the woman small thing. What you go do?
Bros, the only small thing now na money. We want to donate money for her, make they take off the children. No, just nobody should bring anybody up again for now. Let's donate money for her. 480k. If you don't reach 480,000, we'll stop. Now what I want to do? I never see any alert now. I beg. Me say I'll give her 100k, fine. But we need 380,000 to go. Too much of contribution, not the help anything. She said she not get any money again for hand for her kids. Please, I know some they use that they see place where they suffer. Oh, not see account. Yeah. I can't even go with my baba. Why better cat will do with me?
Sure. He did there.
011 64 88 540. Can I teach us back? Yeah. Am I a bigger cat here? Mona, all blessed child for me. Mona, all blessed child for me. I beg. Any money wanna do, Mona send that for me. Mo will help this woman. Any money where we Precious Rebecca Adua, please, more do one for this last stream. You know, say we didn't want top people they do before. When they see the account. The account did there now. The accounts did there. Blessed child, why you go private your account? We'll go they look for you for where they send request. You say no, we up you. I been want bring you up now. I want invite you to come up. You go private your account. But why I stress someone? You know how many people